Hello, lovely souls, and right now we are going to be doing readings for water signs. We are going to be doing it from 8 to 31st December. Guys, I said I would do it weekly, but I will do it for this month only because it's a holiday time and I have 3 commitments. I will be going from 8 to 31st, and as soon as I am free, we will get back to the weekly readings. Okay, so let's see, guys, what's coming up for Cancer first. Let's see in the water signs what is going to come up for Cancer in the month of December from 8 to 31st December in the matters of love. Okay, so let's see. Justice. I see legal separation for you guys. If you all are planning to do that, it's a big thing coming up because one of you guys are mentally stuck about something, about this connection, or you all are not able to get out and see any other way out of this relationship. So you all are deciding, and this was destined, guys. This was destined to get separated from them. Maybe you or your person is stuck that they want to be away from you and they are not going to take this anymore, and they can't take this relationship anymore, and this was destined to happen, and this might be hurting you a lot. And if you all were wondering, is this the end with this person? It's definitely is, guys. 2021 is the end of your karmic cycles. I also see you really deeply loved this person, and you really deeply wanted this person in your life to be there for you, but you will realize that you're growing out of this connection. Okay, and this wasn't meant to happen the way y'all thought it to be, or they thought it to be. I see a lot of juggling in this connection. Maybe y'all did juggle each other, or someone had been juggling on you, and you came to know about it, or you will be coming to know about it, and this will hurt you a lot. See, again, I see, guys, 2 options. They have to decide between you and them, and you are being juggled. You are the victim over here, and this is hurting you a lot. You're asking for help from the divine. So nothing I see that can be changed for you guys, but I see a new love offer coming up to you. Y'all could accept that love offer and be happy in your life, be peaceful in your life. Okay, guys, and this is just judgment. Okay, this is what you were divinely guided to do much before. Okay, but y'all did not accept it, but y'all got tired working hard towards this person connection, or this person got tired working with y'all and trying to make up the connection with y'all, every time taking efforts, every time doing things to make you happy, and forcefully they struggled to keep this connection with you, and now they want to go. Now they are thinking what is a better option for their growth, okay, and not you. And this is the reason why they might not be emotionally expressing what they feel. They might have shut down towards you, and you might be feeling like this is this, does this really have to end? And yes, guys, this has to end. This was a codependent toxic relationship for them more than you. Okay, and they had to go. Okay, and maybe your karma from past life is over with them. They cannot stay any longer in your life. Let's see, guys, what do you have from the divine messages from your person, what they did not speak to you, what they did not tell you before the separation, what is the reason that this is occurring in this month. Let's see what the messages the divine unmasked gives you. I dream of you in the night and wake up in a good mood to see nothing has changed. They dreamed for months and years. They did dream that this connection has changed, and when they got up, they saw nothing has changed. They did hope, they did dream of a beautiful connection with you and to continue, but when they got up, they did not see any changes. My anger and ego lead me into a downward spiral called life. So this person is feeling angry and egoistic right now, and they do no matter how hard they have tried to be in peaceful, patient, and loving, This is not the way, guys, for them. They are tired, they are exhausted, they are angry because it's not working up. I thought staying in chaos was normal. Ideal relationships exist only in books and movies. So this person has come to this conclusion, guys, that the ideal relationships exist only in books. Okay, I behave in a possessive way because I care for you, I want to protect you. So they are possessive, they were loving, they were caring towards you, but they saw maybe you were juggling them with someone else, or they were juggling. Once they realized, they did juggle with someone else because they are tired of this connection. Okay, and they're tired of everything and they want to go. Okay, guys, so it's better for you to let them go, because this could lead in a downward spiral and it could end really, really badly. Okay, I just can't let you go, you light me up. Yes, they do love you, they don't want to let you go, but they know that this is a roller coaster ride. Okay, this life is with them, your life with them is a roller coaster ride, their life with you is a roller coaster ride, and they are fed up of it, and they are fed up of trying hard every minute to just keep this connection going while you are doing your own thing. Okay, so let's see these charms from your person. Very sorry to hear this, guys, but it is very necessary for you to know the right things. Okay, there is love, guys. If you're wondering they are leaving you because they don't love you anymore, or because they are cheating on you and they want to go to the other person, no, that is not the truth. They are tired, they need this from you. Okay, they need this peace from you, while you can go to someone else who will be able to live with you the way you want, who will be able to give you the enough love and the entire drama, who can handle this with you. Okay, so what I see over here in alphabets is R T J J D I C H F. Guys, these initials could be in your name or your person's name. R T J D I C H F. First or last name, your or your person's name. Okay, so let's see. This person loves music. This person loves wearing a specs. Okay, they feel it is cool somewhere or the other to wear. They are caged now regarding you. They are like, no, this is not going to work out. No, I have to do something about my life myself. Because, guys, they are quite mature. They are quite mature than you, and this is very much necessary for them. Maybe they want to shift to another country also. Okay, you or your person does have a mustache. If you are a female, you're really beautiful. If you are a man, you like to keep a mustache. Okay, this is I was guided. Love, there is love, there is still love in this connection, but it has to end for the good of you both. And also, this person is highly qualified, and this person is quite mature. This person can stay in you. They are not juggling you with another person, if that's what you are feeling. They have a third party. It is not necessary that it would be a, what do you call, a love connection only. It could be a, they want to go and work in the US. They just want to go and stay somewhere else and work anonymously, and this is what they want, guys. So if you feel this is the end, yes, it is. Your karma is ending and you cannot stay with this person. So let's finish and end this reading here, guys. See you again in the next reading. Till then, bye bye.